Is taping your mouth shut at night healthy? Mouth taping is being practiced these days by snorers to reduce snoring. It is widely accepted and followed by people these days and is gaining a lot of attention. So, today we will see how mouth taping works, what are its advantages and disadvantages, and does it really help with snoring? So, how does mouth taping work? Mouth taping is the practice of using a porous tape to close your mouth at night before you fall asleep. It forces a person to breathe through their nose instead of their mouth. So, what are the advantages of mouth taping? It helps encourage people to breathe through their nose. It prevents mouth breathing. It prevents sore throat due to mouth breathing. It may help reduce bad breath. It may provide deep sleep, thereby providing better concentration. It can help reduce daytime fatigue, snoring, dry mouth, and dehydration at night. It helps reduce dental problems caused by mouth breathing. What are the disadvantages of mouth taping? In people with difficulty breathing, it may lead to suffocation. If a person vomits while taping the mouth, it may cause choking and suffocation, which can be dangerous. Mouth taping may not help people with moderate to severe sleep apnea. Mouth taping may sometimes lead to anxiety and disrupt sleep. It may cause irritation and itching in and around the lips. So, how to tape your mouth safely? It is always advised to use porous tape that is safe on human skin for mouth taping and not duct tape, masking tape, or any other tape that is not intended for application to human skin. Also, it is always good to talk to doctor before practicing this technique. It is better not to go for mouth taping if you have any medical conditions like nasal polyps, allergies, cold, sinusitis, or nasal congestion. It can make breathing even more difficult. Does mouth taping really help with snoring? Mouth taping may help reduce snoring. A study was done on a small group of people with mild obstructive sleep apnea. The results showed that all the participants were able to reduce their snoring by mouth taping. There are other alternatives as well, such as practice breathing exercises, practice neck and jaw exercises, sleep on your side, keep your bed sheets clean, use a humidifier, or use a saline nasal spray. Thank you.